What's up, everyone? Welcome back to MRA Passive Income Playbook, your go-to channel for making passive income through content creation. Today, we're diving into 5 of Warren Buffett's tax-saving strategies that you can use too, even as a beginner in passive income and content creation. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there's a topic you'd like me to cover next. Let's jump right in. The first strategy we're going to unpack is all about capital gains taxes, a crucial aspect of smart financial planning. Warren Buffett pays lower taxes by focusing on long-term capital gains rather than regular income, a strategy that has saved him millions. Capital gains tax rates are significantly lower than regular income tax rates, making them a more attractive option for savvy investors. By holding on to investments for over a year, you unlock long-term capital gains which are taxed at lower rates, providing substantial savings. For example, while regular income tax can go up to 37%, capital gains taxes for most people max out at just 15%, a significant difference. Shifting your focus towards long-term investments can make a huge difference come tax season, reducing your overall tax liability. Buffett's strategy is all about patience and letting his money grow over time, a principle that can benefit any investor. Rental properties are taxed as capital gains too, so you're building wealth and keeping more money thanks to favorable tax treatment, adding another layer to your financial strategy. Consider investing in opportunity zones to defer capital gains taxes and potentially reduce your tax bill while also contributing to community development. The key takeaway: think long-term. This approach not only maximizes your returns but also minimizes your tax burden. Hold on to your investments and let them grow. The longer you hold, the more you benefit from lower tax rates. Time is your friend when it comes to building wealth and minimizing your tax burden. Patience and strategic planning are essential. Moving on to strategy number 2, dividends and the magic of reinvesting. Dividends are payments made by a corporation to its shareholders, usually as a distribution of profits. Buffett reinvests his dividend payments back into his portfolio, allowing his money to grow tax-free until he decides to sell. This strategy is a cornerstone of his wealth-building approach. You don't pay taxes on those dividends until you cash them out, letting you compound your returns year after year. This means your money can grow exponentially over time. Qualified dividends are taxed at lower capital gains rates, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. Even if you're only reinvesting a small amount each month, it can make a huge difference in the long run thanks to compound growth. The power of compounding should never be underestimated. Reinvesting dividends is like automating your investments. The money keeps growing on autopilot. This hands-off approach can be incredibly effective. Embrace the power of dividends and reinvestment. It's a strategy that requires patience, but offers substantial rewards. It's a simple yet incredibly effective way to build wealth, minimize your tax burden, and achieve financial freedom. The journey to financial independence starts with small, consistent steps. Think of every dollar you reinvest as planting a seed that will grow into a money tree. Each reinvested dividend is a step closer to your financial goals. The more seeds you plant, the bigger and more fruitful your money forest will become. Over time, you'll see the benefits of your disciplined approach to investing. Chapter 3: Donating to charity, making a difference while saving on taxes. Warren Buffett is famous for his philanthropy, which comes with valuable tax benefits. His strategic donations not only support numerous causes, but also provide him with significant tax deductions. Donating to charity provides you with tax deductions that can significantly reduce your taxable income. By itemizing your deductions, you can lower your tax bill and keep more money in your pocket. Even small donations can add up and make a difference for both the charities you support and your tax situation. Every contribution, no matter the size, plays a role in helping those in need and can be beneficial for your finances. One way to maximize your charitable giving is to bunch your donations, making larger donations every few years to exceed the standard deduction threshold. This strategy can amplify the impact of your contributions and optimize your tax savings. Consider donating appreciated assets like stocks or real estate instead of cash to avoid paying capital gains taxes on the appreciated amount. This method allows you to give more generously without incurring additional tax liabilities. Donating to charity is a win-win situation. You support causes you believe in and potentially save money on your taxes. The joy of giving is complemented by the financial benefits you receive. Every little bit counts, and it's all about finding causes that resonate with you and making a positive impact. Researching and choosing the right charities ensures your donations are used effectively. Remember, you don't have to be a billionaire to make a difference. Your contributions, no matter how modest, can create meaningful change in your community and beyond. Small steps can lead to significant tax savings and positive change. By planning your charitable giving, you can maximize both your impact and your tax benefits. Chapter 4. Living off loans. Buffett's unconventional strategy for tax efficiency. Instead of selling his stocks and paying capital gains tax, Buffett often borrows against his stock holdings. Borrowing against your stocks is perfectly legal and common among the ultra-wealthy. When you borrow against your stocks, you're not selling anything, so you don't owe taxes on those gains. The interest rates on these loans are typically very low. This strategy isn't for everyone and comes with risks, but it can be a powerful way to access liquidity and avoid triggering taxes. You need to be comfortable taking on debt and have a solid plan for repaying it. Using borrowed money strategically can keep more of your money working for you. This strategy is best suited for those with significant assets and a deep understanding of leverage and risk management. Chapter 5. Deferring income. The power of time travel for your taxes. Buffett uses deferred income strategies, such as retirement accounts and tax-deferred investments, to minimize his tax burden. The basic idea is to postpone paying taxes on your income until a later date. When you defer income, you're reducing your taxable income for the present year, paying less in taxes now. Retirement accounts like 401(k)s and IRAs are prime examples of tax-deferred investments. Contributions to these accounts are often tax-deductible, lowering your taxable income right away. Your money grows tax-deferred within these accounts, so you don't pay taxes on those gains until you retire and start withdrawing the funds. By the time you withdraw, you'll likely be in a lower tax bracket, paying less in taxes overall. Deferring income allows you to shift your tax burden to a later date when you're in a better position to handle it. So, there you have it, 5 tax-saving strategies used by Warren Buffett himself. Remember, you don't have to be a billionaire to start implementing these strategies. Even small steps can make a big difference over time. If you found these strategies valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on passive income and tax-saving strategies. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover. MRA Passive Income Playbook is an educational channel, not financial advice. Always consult a financial professional before making investment or tax decisions. Together, we can turn your content into passive income.